All right, so with this question, it's the same steps as above, but the key thing that you need to be careful about is making sure that the order is correct. So you start with the highest power in the numerator. So the numerator is this first parenthesis. So the highest power is x cubed. And then you're going to go x squared, x to the first, and then the number. And if you don't have one of these, you have to put a placeholder 0. So that really, I mean, yes, there's two terms in the denominator that should be emphasized, but also the order needs to be emphasized tremendously. So you say to yourself, okay, I have x cubed here, all right? Then in this numerator, there's no 0, there's no x squared. So I'm going to put a plus 0x squared. And then I have my x to the first. So I have negative 16x and then minus 38. So when you look at it, I have the 3 exponent, 2 exponent, 1 exponent, and then the constant. And then that's divided by x plus 3. And now once I have that ordering correct, then I can go through my synthetic division. So with synthetic division, same steps as up above. We're going to put the opposite sign of what we see to the left. So that will be negative 3. And then list out the coefficients. So 1, 0, negative 16, negative 38. Then bring down the first number with straight line. So that's going to be 1. And then multiply diagonally. So 1 times negative 3 will give us a negative. And again, I always think about that little multiplication sign as having a diagonal in it, and then the vertical sign, or the addition sign has a vertical line in it. So 1 times negative 3, and then add vertically to get 0 plus negative 3, so get negative 3. And then negative 3 times negative 3 gives us a positive 9. Add vertically. And I just want to say most students are really good at the synthetic division process. The error comes in the arithmetic. So just be really careful about your signs and the arithmetic associated with that. So negative 16 plus 9 will give you negative 7. And then the negative 7 times negative 3 gives us positive 21. So then we'll add vertically, get negative 38 plus 21, and that gives us negative 17. Now remember, this last number is your remainder, so that always goes over the original denominator. So that last number always goes over the original denominator. And then these guys are going to be one less of what you started with. So I started with x cubed. So that means that I'm going to be using x squared and then x and then our constant. So our answer is going to look like x squared minus 3x minus 7 minus fraction bar 17 over x plus 3.